Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be going over Savings Highway Global, where you could build a business with only $20 to start with, all right, and get over $2,000 to $3,000 a month, and at the same time, you could also save as well too. Okay, so this is my back office right now. You have your organizational chart, your My Account, your compensation plan, you have your wallet. You could have the success team training. So I'm gonna go into that real quick. Let's see here. Here's your training area. PowerPoints, call schedule for Zoom meetings. You have your leaderboard here, marketing, tools, and members area. Okay. So they do have different videos you could watch as soon as you get in. All right. On so for the example, let's see, you set up your member area and commissions. How commissions pay for your next month reserve account. Let's see how to place new members in your matrix. Okay. They have an introduction video. They have the compensation training with Chris. Right. You have another video here, another training video for number 4. All right, and savings money video. Okay, so as I was mentioning earlier, you could save on hotel rooms. You get discounts when you join our team. All right, you get access to car and home insurance savings. Okay, so let's see. Let's go down here. You could save. So you could get a 5-star hotel and retail for $349 a night, and paid only $149. All right, so it's normally $349 a night, and you get a significant discount. Okay, so the same thing with your car insurance. All right, approximately 50% of people in the USA can save between $500 and $2,000 on their car insurance. All right, and don't make this mistake of waiting. You could go ahead and definitely get savings on that if you go ahead and sign up. You get dental access as well too, or you could save on that. Let's see. So they do have different sites and different ways you could save money. Okay, so they have your PowerPoints here. You could download those and get started with that. You have your quick start bonuses here. How to access your personal website. 3 steps to sharing your Savings Highway Global opportunity. Inviting to a live or Zoom meeting. Inviting warm market people. Inviting cold market people, your cold leads. Your 30-day game plan to executive. Okay, so it has different options here, training and support. Let's see. You have a sample social media post. Social media, join us on Facebook. So it has different resources here. Let's go to the leaderboard. So it'll show you your current leaderboard members and who's at the top. And then we're back to the members area here, and then you do have more training in the back office as well too. All right, you could get leads and clicks, and you could get other stuff as well too. Now, if you are interested in joining, you could go ahead and click the link below to get started. Only $20.